today we're cooking, but we wanted to do something a little bit different. How do you rate your knife skills?
My knife skills? Getting solid, like 6, 7.
That's pretty confident. How confident are you in your knife skills with your non-dominant hand?
I don't really like using my left hand for anything. Maybe like a 2, but we can work it up.
How would you feel if you only had your left hand, but you also had my left hand? So it's, how confident would you feel then?
We might draw blood today.
We're gonna use our non-dominant hand. So we're gonna be cutting, chopping, washing, doing everything with our non-dominant hand, and we're gonna hold our dominant hand behind ourselves. I thought it would be fun if we did shrimp and chicken fried rice. Obviously just having rice is not a good idea because it's all carbs, so we wanna balance.
I think I can game with like nine fingers, or?
Let's just have a feel for it, you know?
Let's just bring out the knives.
Let's pretend that I'm the one holding the onion down. Let's pretend that this is an onion right now. And then you just pretend that you're dicing the onion, right? And then so we move one grid, and then this is how much trust and faith I have in you on my channel. I know I was hating on salad earlier, but I did see on TikTok actually there's a really cool carrot salad that I wanted to try. We will have to require some like maneuverability when we're like slicing the carrot. So I think we're going to do that first as a little bit of a warm up.
Okay.
Are you ready to say goodbye to your right hand?
What?
We no longer need it. Yeah.
What's up, Gary's YouTube? Today we're gonna be cooking one-handed. I need a script. How do you open this?
I'm just gonna demonstrate. You know how normally you're supposed to go like that? No. Okay, I'm sorry, mommy.
What?
What? Can you scrub my carrot? Because normally you have 2 hands. Just wash my.
Oh, this is a little.
Oh, no, hold it like you would normally hold the carrot. Yeah.
I don't like this.
You're not attached to your fingernails, right?
It's okay. I can feel my wrist. I'm scared.
Hold on nice and firm. I got you. Yeah, see, it's not too bad.
I'm too scared. I'm really scared.
Put this into the.
Can I have some water? Give me a bit.
We're gonna cut the tip off. Yep. And then we can throw the tip away, the peeler, and then just keep making the same slices back and forth to make little ribbons of carrot. Yeah, there you go. Oh, sorry. Are you having fun, Rain?
Yeah.
This is really like we're bonding, right?
Oh my god, sorry, I got scared. Oh my god, can I use a fork?
I'm not sure where it's going, so I suppose you can say it. Wait, did you use your third hand? Rain! Rain! You ruined. Look at Chad's little carrot now. It looks stupid.
I just instinctively wanted to clean up the mess.
If you need to clean up the mess, just use put that shit back. Pretend that you don't have a right hand today. Yeah. It looks kind of nice though. It's like a nice big bowl of carrots. You said you wanted garlic though, right? Yeah. Like raw garlic. So why don't we try to open this garlic and we'll mince some garlic. Hold the base so I can peel off this bulb here. Ooh. With the flat end, and then I can like whack it straight and true.
Okay. Just like softly.
Yeah.
Just
1,
build up pressure.
2,
no, build
3.
Up. Okay. Okay. No, let's go.
See, look how beautifully you just did that.
You want to smack that one?
There is no. Or do you want to smack it? Here, I can hold it, and you smack it. I believe in you. Go.
Okay.
So like this.
Okay.
Just go. Harder. Yeah, there you go. There you go. See? She's not gonna make it through the fried rice, guys.
But what would happen if, for some reason, we ignore somebody unlocked 100% of the cerebral capacity?
Yeah, there we go. Look, guys, we're chopping. I'm anchoring the knife so she can do like the circular motion. See?
Wow.
Look, it's cute, right? It looks good. What about yours, Rain? Where's your fingers? Show them. See? Intact. Shush. Okay, so with me holding the knife, we're gonna move.
I don't like this.
We're gonna shimmy. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, you got this. We're gonna shimmy
without you.
into the bowl.
Okay, thank you.
Daughters grew up so fast. So we have soy sauce. We have fish sauce.
Ooh.
We have sesame oil.
There's so much sesame oil. Can I do some MSG?
But it's salad though. Like it's not gonna like melt in the salad, right? It's gonna be like crunchy MSG.
But we're adding soy sauce in there anyway. It's gonna liquefy.
Like it'll like melt in the soy sauce, but it'll be
a crunch will be good.
Rain, put the MSG down. No, Rain, that was so much MSG.
No,
that was so much MSG in a salad. Oh my!
If you didn't fight me, we could have like agreed about an amount, but you have to resist me.
We're gonna go under the table and have a taste. This is like so much. It's not bad.
Carrot.
We're gonna be sauteing, but think about it this way. MSG, you can put in all the MSG that you want, okay?
Really?
The MSG is coming.
I haven't had MSG in so long. I think the straw's gone.
Oh, here, let me.
Oh my god, stop. You're gonna get your hand stuck. Everything about this is so painful.
Chad says to squeeze the bottle. Wait!
Oh.
What?
Wait, that's so smart.
Is chat magic? Oh my god! Is chat magic? I love watching Giri. It is impressive how she always makes the most normal things look impossible. It's like a pimple.
Ooh.
Do you like squeezing pimples? Whoa! You got that one real good.
Actually, very satisfying.
Right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll peel these first.
Oh, that hurt.
Let me just ask you, do you want to do the cutting or do you want me to do the cutting?
Go on. I'm so glad I grabbed the fork.
See how we have a nice firm base, so now you no longer need the fork. You just use your hand, and then we're gonna cut these into long slices.
Okay.
Okay, maybe use the fork. Do you want to do an arm wrestle just to see who's stronger?
Oh, but I've seen like videos of people breaking their arms doing
No, I'm not strong enough to actually break your arm, I don't think. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, Jesus Christ. What was that?
Wait, there's no way!
What was that?
No, do it again. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, Jesus Christ, you have to be playing a bit, no?
Can we do it right hand? Just like, we're not cooked. Can we just do it right hand? Just 3, 2, 1.
Oh, shit.
Oh, wait.
You're pretty
wait,
strong.
but I can't. This is all I got. Hold on.
Oh, my shoulder.
Okay, so my right hand is... Why is my left hand so weak?
I don't know.
So hold on to this. Just hold on to it nice and strong.
Can you fork it?
It's so hard to find love these days, guys. There's just no trust. You know, you think you know a girl. It's like your dad saying, yeah, I love you, kid. I love you, son. And then he only shows up on weekends.
Ooh, these are some big shrimps.
Yeah.
Wow.
Take away the shrimp. So pull the head on.
This is cooking mama. You gotta wiggle. The wiggle animation.
I hold like this and you slash.
I don't like this.
Gently. Could you pull the poop sack?
Why do I have to pull?
Oh, that's a long one. Sir, thank you for the prime. Whoa!
Whoa!
Did she just do that? Okay,
No
just
shell.
do all 3. I believe in the you that believes in. You see that? The confidence. 3rd time's the charm. Look at that shit.
Oh my god, it's like a.
It's almost as if she cooks.
I'm better with my left hand than I'd ever be with my right.
How much do I have to pay you for you to drink this right now? I want to give you a spatula.
Ooh, thank you.
And let's see if we can do like
Please don't try to toss it.
Yeah.
Oh no.
See?
Okay, how's your arm feeling? Is it good?
It's a little fatigued. Okay, so you better make this quick, okay? So just,
Oh my god.
okay.
I don't think I can.
No, I believe in you. Okay, I have 10 seconds left in me.
10?
I have
I'll
10.
take my
I have 10 seconds left in me.
8,
Look at my
7.
Look at my delta. Okay, you gotta grab the rest. Oh my god. I like how I'm training for barn race by carrying like 30-kilogram sandbags and I can't lift up my frying pan. Put the oil back in.
Oh, sorry, my arm. It's going.
Wait, I thought you said that it's gonna be more painful.
Oh, but it hurts so bad.
Wait, can I do it too? Oh. Okay, let me try to be at Rain's height.
I'm not that short.
Feel it. That's a little bit more harder.
Is it MSG time?
No. You want to taste test the chicken to see if it's cooked or
I'm okay.
YOLO?
Yellow.
It's okay. We're just gonna poison a few people. It's totally fine.
I mean, otherwise I'd have to poison myself.
It's true.
Put your hand.
Do you want to hold the pan now?
No.
Are you sure? You can try.
No.
You can put it in. Okay, maybe not from that high. Just no. Okay.
Damn.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, your hand. Okay. She's gonna get like MSG blue ball, and she's gonna be thinking about it all night. She's like, damn.
Just like a little.
No, not now, girl. Not now. Later, at the very end, we have to put all the other ingredients in too. They're stop it! I can literally see you. Actually, no, together.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Follow the motion.
Oh, no,
Okay, we got it.
No.
We got it. Okay, we're gonna have a heart attack tomorrow. 3 streamers die in the house because of too much MSG. Oni Bro's gonna just be like, wow, I'm so thirsty. Okay, you can serve that to Oni Bro.
Just watching him go like.
That's a good face, right, Oni Bro?
He's eating a lot.
He likes it, right? He is eating a lot. I'm gonna try a little bit. Mmm.
You like that?
Mmm.
It's good?
Mmm. It's perfectly seasoned.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
It's perfectly seasoned. Good amount of MSG. Come on. We're literally losing blood in our arms for this. It's 1,000 out of 10.
What?
Wow. Rain definitely did not.
What?
You were here this whole time. She has never moved. You have never moved. We got it. Our first 1,000 out of 10. Are we actually geniuses?
Perfectly seasoned.
Yeah, fuyo. That MSG is the perfect amount of fuyo right there. That's crazy. 10 with the O.
It's like a high five.
Yeah, no, but like repeat it. Like yeah. Now can we release our arm?
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna release it slowly though. Here, let me massage it.
Oh, my shoulder.
Oh, the shoulder. Oh, that's a stiff one.
Ugh,
That's a stiffy.
it's so bad.
You want to try the salad still?
Let's get the rating for that one.
Onibro is probably gonna hate this. I'm gonna be honest, because Onibro hates like fresh things. Onibro is probably gonna give that like a 0 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie. As a punishment for forgetting the 1-arm challenge, Gary has to do 50. What?
All right, Gary, let's go. That was it. Like and subscribe.
That was it?
I don't really don't do outros.
That was it? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, bye. That's it. Well, make sure you like and subscribe, both of us. And
Oh, if you like and subscribe right now, you will win $1,000 out of her account.
Well, what?